I'm Aliya Jackson. I'm from Houston, Texas. I'm graduating class of 2024, and I'm an accounting major, philosophy minor. Being at Trinity, specifically in a liberal arts school, and studying accounting has just kind of given me leeway to kind of shape my experience. They make sure that I have all of the best of both worlds in terms of a well-rounded education, not only understanding the accounting perspectives and having all those requirements to pass CPA exam to succeed well in the accounting industry, but also having these other understandings of philosophy, having other understandings of science and English. And I have so many classes that I've taken that honestly have nothing to do with my major, but I've met a lot of great people. I've had a lot of great professors, and they've just shown me that I can have different interests that are outside of my major and outside of my general interest in my future career paths. I'm involved in a lot. I am a student athlete. I run track and field. I also am the assistant director of student ambassadors for finance and budgeting. So I get to apply a little bit of my accounting skills in that area. I also am the vice president of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, which is off campus as well, and I'm the social chair committee for Black Student Union. So that's just been exciting, a little bit of my involvement in different areas, but it's really been able to allow me to show representation across different areas. And my main thing when I was coming to Trinity was showing that you can be involved in multiple areas and also be an accounting major. You can also have different interests that have no correlation with each other and still succeed. I think when I first came to Trinity, I had a very linear kind of viewpoint of the next 10 years of my life, but I'm kind of more secure in myself now, and I think that's honestly going to shape me and help me better in the real world.